I'm always trying to find ways to recycle plastic in my craft projects, so I used plastic bottles to make these flower girls. I started by cutting the bottom of the bottle off. Then I covered the bottle with a few layers of newspaper cutouts and white glue to make the base tougher. Next, I balled up some newspaper cutouts to make the head shape and covered it with napkins and glue. Then inserted it into the mouth of the bottle. And I proceeded by covering the head and neck with more newspapers and glue. To make the arms, I wrapped some cutouts into tight cylinder rolls and glued them to the sides of the body. I secured the arms using rubber bands and glued on more newspaper cutouts. I added some more newspaper rolls to the top of the head to create the hair. I left it to dry for a few hours. Next, I mixed the plaster of Paris with water and used it to cover the figurine. You'll have to work quickly as the plaster dries up pretty fast. I added a small glob of plaster between the hands to act as the base of my flower bouquet later on. After a couple of hours, the plaster is all dried up, and I used some carving tools to smooth out the plaster and create some details. I used acrylic paint to color the figurine. After the paint dried, I added a layer of matte varnish to protect the paint. And finally, I added some foam flowers to create the bouquet. To see how I made these flowers, you can watch my foam flower letter video. The link is in the description below. The last step was to add some gemstones inside the flowers and around her neck to give it some sparkle. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please give me a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.